In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SIP calculator in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file. You can use a blank worksheet or an existing file, as long as you have a clean area where you can enter your values and display the result clearly. The goal here is to build a simple CP calculator using Excel's built-in formula tools, so you do not need anything complicated to make this work. Before entering the formula, make sure your data is already prepared. For this example, you should have 3 key values ready: your monthly SIP amount, your expected annual return, and your investment period in years. Keeping these values organized in separate cells will make the formula easier to build and easier to update later. For instance, if you decide to change the monthly contribution or adjust the return rate, the result will automatically recalculate, which is one of the biggest advantages of doing this in Excel. Once your data is ready, click on an empty cell where you want the future value result to appear. This will be the cell that displays the estimated maturity amount of your SIPI investment. In that selected cell, type the formula using Excel's FV function. The formula should begin with equals, then FV, followed by an open parenthesis. After that, enter the cell containing the expected annual return rate divided by 12, then a comma, then the cell containing the investment period multiplied by 12, then another comma, then a negative sign followed by the cell containing the monthly SIP amount, then comma 0, and finally close the parenthesis. This formula works because Excel's FV function is designed to calculate future value. In this case, it estimates how much your monthly investments could grow over time by applying compound returns. Dividing the annual return by 12 converts it into a monthly rate, and multiplying the number of years by 12 converts the total investment period into months. The monthly CP amount is entered as a negative value because Excel treats it as money being paid out regularly into the investment. Once you press enter, Excel will instantly calculate the projected value of your investment based on the numbers you provided. If you want, you can also format the result cell as currency so the final amount is easier to read and looks more polished. And that's it. You've successfully created a simple SIP calculator in Microsoft Excel.